So yeah, long time. Just added up the other day. I'm a 20-year Amazon Associates veteran. Affiliate's been a pretty important part of my life for the last 2 decades. First as an entrepreneur, then spent some time actually at Apple managing their affiliate program for iTunes, and really learned about this what we call geofragmentation problem. The whole idea that large multinational brands will spin up different storefronts for different parts of the world, and then to support those storefronts, they spin up affiliate programs that are specific to the storefronts, and that creates this global mess where if you have a global audience, you're trying to monetize it, it's really hard to do. So we built GeniusLink as a solution for that, first as iTunes and then as Amazon. We've kind of opened it up. So I am co-founder, chief bottle washer, cheerleader, janitor. Yeah, we've got a great team, but I still get to pick up all the random jobs.
Very cool. And we're going to cover a lot of different topics today, starting with FTC guidelines and some of the disclaimers. We're also going to talk about some of the new associates programs that are out there. Plus, we have a bit of controversy, and I sent an email out to my list earlier today, and it has to do with the WordPress plugin world as it associates with the the Amazon affiliate world and affiliates in general. And we're going to be talking about Lasso, one of the premium plugins out there. We're going to talk about GeniusLink as well. You're roped into this a bit, and AmaLinks Pro. And we're going to try and, I guess just play nice. We're just going to talk about some of the ideas. So I don't want people to get the idea that we're, trying to bash any companies or anything like that. So we're just chatting, and I'm probably going to be chatting with Andrew from Lasso before too long. And I'm friends with all the folks that we're talking about today, but I think it'll be an exciting topic to cover. So let's get into a few of the details here. And number one, we have the FTC guidelines. And not too long ago, Amazon Associates sent out a notification to all the associates that we need to make sure that we're disclosing our relationship exactly. So Jesse, can you take us into a little bit of that notification email, and then what things should we look out for?
For sure. Yeah, I'm glad we're eating our vegetables before we get to our dessert here. It's important that we cover this. It's definitely not the most sexy or most exciting topic, but it is such an essential one. So yeah, the FTC guidelines, FTC regulates advertising, etc., but it also affiliate is part of that, and they've definitely been ramping up over the last couple of years. Amazon has been making more and more noise about how important it is to follow the FTC guidelines. But the gist is that you need to disclose your relationship in a clear and conspicuous way when you have affiliate links in play. And traditionally, the language on Amazon Associates in their operating agreement, which again, not sexy, but something very, very important to read, would dictate that you needed to include a line. It was a couple of sentences originally, and they compressed it down. You need to make sure that line was used on your website. And there was some different rationale for that. And last year in October, they did a great job kind of saying, hey, this is what you need to do for Amazon, but as an affiliate, you also need to be doing this for the FTC. And now we're going to make sure that we're pushing you to do that as well. So last year came out and really pushed hard. We dug in deep at that time, put together a blog article, but the gist was you needed a link level disclosure, you needed an Amazon disclosure. And in the last year or so, that's actually Amazon's now strongly encouraging that you just kind of mash those together, which is honestly makes the messaging a bit simpler, right? If you can just use your short, simple, succinct Amazon disclosure before you use any affiliate links, you should be in the clear. And as easy as it and simple as that sounds, there are obviously lots of nuances. You can come up with lots of different creative ways, but at the end of the day, you need to be transparent with your readers, with your shoppers. That's best for staying in the clear, best for staying happy with Amazon, but it's also best for the consumers, for the shoppers, right? The FTC is there to help people buying. If they can't trust you, if Amazon can't trust you, you've got a world of problems in the world of affiliate. Authenticity, I think that's going to be an important subject we'll hit upon throughout the day.
Yes, definitely. And I think a lot of people knew that they were supposed to say, hey, I'm an Amazon associate, but maybe they just left it at that, or maybe they put that in the footer, or maybe even in the sidebar. People will think, hey, I'm going to put it at the top of the sidebar, but I know that a lot of people are on mobile devices, and that sidebar gets pushed to the bottom most of the time. So there's a very strong chance that people are not even going to see that if they read your whole article, which would be amazing if they did that. But any specific tips on exactly what to do, just so we're in the clear?
Yeah, I think as simple as possible is best, right? Use use what Amazon has provided and put it at the top of your article. It doesn't get any simpler than that. And of course, if you want to dive into, nuances, do so at your own peril. But at the end of the day, make sure Amazon's happy so that you can continue to earn from their affiliate program. And Amazon's going to be happy if you are fully following the FTC. So use their disclosure, put it at the top. You should be fine.